I'm Dr. Ekta Chadha from Smile Studio. Today let's talk about hot and cold drinks which are good for your teeth and which are not good for your teeth. Anything with extreme temperature directly onto your teeth are very harmful for your teeth. So supposing if you had an iced cappuccino and you follow it up with a very hot cup of tea, they will create cracks, internal cracks within your teeth, which will cause them a lot of sensitivity. So avoid things which are extreme in temperatures directly one after the other. Try to have it at a normal temperature. Any kind of hot or cold liquids that you take, don't have it extremely hot or extremely cold, because of these contractions and the expansions of the nerve within the tooth structure, it causes internal cracks which causes a lot of harm to the teeth.